Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss polynomial chapter 10th class. If p of x is equal x square minus 3x minus 4, find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. ఇలా బ్రాకెట్స్ వేసినప్పుడు మనం p ఆఫ్ అని చదవండి. సో p ఆఫ్ x అంటే పోలనామైల్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇందులో ఏం కనుక్కోవాలండి? p ఆఫ్ 0 ఫస్ట్ వన్. p ఆఫ్ 0 అంటే x ఉన్న చోటల్లా కూడా 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. So we have to first p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. 0 square means 0, 0 minus 4. That is equal to minus 4. Therefore, p of 0 is equal to minus 4. Then next p of 1. p of 1. That is equal to 1 square minus 3 of 1 minus 4. 1 square means 1 minus 3 into 1 bracket means multiplication. 3 into 1 3 minus 4. So that is equal to 1 minus negative numbers minus 7, that is equal to minus 6. Again p of 2. So 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. That is 2 square means 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, remaining minus 6. So this is the finding of the polynomials values at 0, at 1, at 2. These values p of 0 is equal to minus 4, p of 1 is equal to minus 4, p of 2 is equal to p of 1 is equal to minus 6, p of 2 is equal to minus 6. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.